and we'll do K. That is tan of 100. So I'm going to draw the 100 degrees. So that's 90. So 100 is there. So that means that this is 80 degrees. Yeah, because it's 180. Take away 80 is 100. Draw my cross again. Put 80s here. Like that. Now, and CAST. So I'm looking. This will help me with the signs. So over here, I've got the original angles over here. Okay, where I've got the S. What's that telling me? Only S is positive here. Tan is negative. Where else is tan negative? Not here, not here, but here. Right, that's an acute angle, negative 80. Yeah. So tan 100 is actually equal to tan negative 80, which is an acute angle, or I could use tan 80, but notice it's not where tan is negative, it would be where tan is positive. So I could say tan 80 but reverse the sign. Yeah, because it's on the bits of the arm that I don't want. Remember, the original one was there, tan is negative there and there, so tan is positive there and there. In other words, these two have the opposite sign to these two. Yeah, so you could have either one of those as your answer, and if you're not sure, you can always check it on your calculator to see if you get the right answer. Okay, last couple. We'll do number 5A. Given that each theta is an acute angle expressed in terms of sine theta. Okay, right. So with 5A, so we've got sine of a negative theta, and we want to work out sine of something that's going to be, well, it's telling us that the angle is acute. Okay, now what's that telling us? Right, so if this angle is acute and it's negative, it's over here. Yeah, this is an acute negative angle, so this is basically is a number between 0 and 90. So let's stick it over here. That means that this bit is theta. So this is a bit like the last question, but we don't have numbers, we just have theta, and we're told that this is an acute angle. Okay, that would mean it's over here, but it's a negative there, so it's basically that's the angle. That could be any number, 5, 10, 20, 50, 60, 89, any number that's between 0 and 90, because we're told that's acute. Okay, so draw the cross. These are all thetas here, that's the only difference. CAST. Right, so this angle has landed on the bit where there's a C, which means that sine is negative. Where else is sine negative? Over here. So this angle would be like sine 180 plus theta, but it's the wrong sign. It's not acute. It needs to be over. Well, actually, no. I could write it as sine 180 plus theta. Yeah, because it's the same sign. Or I can even write my answer as negative, because I'm looking at now one of these bits, negative sine theta. Yeah, because look, that one is the wrong sign, so I'll stick a negative. Or I could write it as negative sine 180 minus theta. So these bits are circled because that's the original angle. This is the correct sign because sine is negative here, which is where I started, and it's negative here. Okay, so I don't need to put a negative in front of this. I don't need to reverse its sign. So 180 plus theta, which is this. These two, yeah, aren't the circled ones, so their sign is incorrect. So I basically write down what they are: sine theta, sine 180 minus theta, but put a minus sign in front. Okay. 5D, gets a little bit more complicated. So you've got sine, and then we got negative 180 plus theta. Okay, I'm guessing what we could do here is just expand the brackets. We'll try that first. So that'll be minus 180 minus theta, and we'll see what that looks like. Or we could leave it like that, it doesn't make any difference. So negative 180 is going to be back there like that, so going backwards, and then minus theta, so minus theta. Now we go that way, let's try this one. So 180 plus theta is going to be down here, and because we got a negative in front of it, basically I think it's going to be over here. Yeah, negative 180, and then take away some more theta. Yeah, that's right. So it's going to be there. Yeah, I'm just using that one. Negative 180, take away some more theta. So that's theta. Okay, draw my cross. So I've got all my thetas here. And express in terms of sine theta. Alright, so going back to that one, this is the answer that we want, because we just want in terms of sine theta. Right, so CAST, where was the original angle? Here, where sine is positive. Where else is sine positive? Here. Right, okay, so all of that, which is this angle, is the same as this one. That's nice and easy. That's just sine theta, because it's just there. Yeah, okay, so that one's done. Then G on that one, sine 540 plus theta. So cast diagram, let's find 540. 0, 90, 180, 270, 360, 450, 540 is here. So plus theta, so actually it's just that angle there. Yeah, so I've gone all the way around once, all the way around twice. I've ended up there. Right, there's my cross. Here's my thetas. CAST. I've landed here. Sine is negative. Where else is sine negative? Here. Okay, this would actually be sine of negative theta if I chose this one, but because I want it in terms of sine theta, then I'm going to use this one, which means reverse the sign of sine theta. So this is sine theta, but it's not where sine is negative, it's where sine is positive, so we need to reverse the sign. So that would be my final answer. Okay, and lastly, question number 6. We'll have a look at this one. Given that, again, it's an acute angle expressed in terms of cos or tan, so this is very similar to question number 5, the same type of thing. Okay, right, so let's go through this quickly. So cos 180 minus theta, I'll just do this very quickly. CAST 180 minus theta. Okay, there's 180. If you take away theta, you're going to end up here. Here's my cross, like that. I landed here, where cos is negative. Where else is cos negative? Here. I want to land over here, don't I? I do want cos theta. So there's cos theta here. It's the wrong sign, stick a minus in front. Okay. 6e, similar thing. I've got cos of theta minus 360, or you could think of it as minus 360 plus theta. So cos of, I'm just going to change the order, minus 360 plus theta. So if I think of it like that, so minus 360 is there, add theta, so you end up with there. Okay, that's nice and easy. That's just cos theta. Yeah, because it's just there. That's where I landed. I landed in the right place. So cos theta. And then the very last one, tan 180 plus theta. Same type of thing. Tan 180 plus it, I'd end up over here. Let's do it on this diagram. So cos, sorry, the last one was I tan 180 plus theta. Okay, so 180 plus theta is like that. That's what it looked like. It's positive there, where else is tan positive over here? So basically it's just tan theta. I would have put a circle around that one. So that's the same as tan theta. Okay, and that's that done.